If you're running a business, you know the dream, right? You want to focus on your craft, your clients, and actually growing the thing. But what's the reality? Well, it's often managing finances. Today, we're going to dive into a tool that's designed to fix that, for good. Okay, be honest. Does this look a little too familiar? You know, the beautiful chaos of spreadsheets, sticky notes all over your monitor, and maybe that one Word doc invoice template you've been using since like forever. If you're nodding along right now, trust me, you are not alone. This is the reality for so many freelancers and small business owners.
And that reality? It's a total grind. It's spending hours manually building every single invoice. It's sending those awkward, hey, just following up emails to chase late payments. It's juggling 5 different apps for invoicing, expenses, and accounting, and trying to get them to talk to each other. And let's not even get started on manually downloading and importing bank statements or that last-minute scramble when tax season hits. It's exhausting.
But here's the thing. This isn't just a hassle. It's so much more than that. Small business owners can spend over 10 hours a week on financial admin. That's a full day of work you're not spending on actually making money. And every late payment, that's a direct hit to your cash flow. This admin grind is literally costing you time and money.
But what if you could just change all of that? What if you could bring every single part of your business finances into one clean, simple, and seriously powerful place? Well, let's talk about Invoicer. So what is Invoicer? It's a modern, cloud-based platform that combines everything you need. We're talking invoicing, payments, expense tracking, and even full-blown accounting into one single streamlined app. It's designed to completely eliminate the chaos.
Okay, so how does it actually do that? Let's take a look at the features that are built to get you from sending a new project quote to having that money in your bank account in like minutes.
Just look at how simple this workflow is. You start by creating a really professional-looking quote right inside the app. Your client gets it, they can look it over, and approve it online with one click. Now this next part is my favorite. You convert that approved quote into an invoice with one single click. No retyping anything, and then boom, your client gets a secure link to pay you directly. It's just seamless.
You know, one of the biggest time sucks for any business is having to chase down those late payments. Well, Invoicer is built to put an end to that whole song and dance by letting smart automation do the heavy lifting for you.
Here's how it works. You get real-time updates, so you know the second a client views or pays your invoice. You can set up these automated but still polite reminders for any invoices that go overdue. And if you work with clients on a retainer, you can set up recurring invoices that just go out automatically every single month. You literally set it and forget it.
But Invoicer goes way beyond just simple automation. It has a smart assistant built right in, and it uses AI to handle some of the most boring, tedious tasks on your plate.
And this is where it gets really, really cool. Let's say you're stuck trying to write a professional-sounding project description for an invoice. The AI text generation can help you nail the wording. And get this, with AI receipt scanning, you just snap a photo of a receipt with your phone, and the AI automatically reads it and pulls out the vendor, the amount, the date, everything. Manual expense entry is officially a thing of the past.
Okay, so we've established Invoicer absolutely nails invoicing and payments, but it's also a complete accounting platform, and it's designed to keep all your numbers perfectly organized, without you needing a degree in accounting just to figure it out.
And the heart of all this is the bank connection. It uses Plaid, which is the super secure, industry-standard technology that tons of apps use to safely connect to your bank. And you just link your business accounts once. That's it. From then on, all your transactions are imported automatically. This is a game changer. This is the end of manual data entry for your books, forever.
And with all that data flowing in automatically, the entire accounting suite just comes to life. You can track and categorize every single expense, generate financial reports like a profit and loss statement in an instant, and even manage your bills and vendors to keep an eye on what you owe. It becomes a full command center for your business's finances.
Now, what's really cool is that while it's simple enough for any business owner to pick up and use, Invoicer was also built with accounting professionals in mind. So this isn't just a tool for one business, it's a platform to manage a whole bunch of them.
So if you're an accountant, you can manage your entire client list from one single dashboard and just switch between businesses instantly. You can generate reports for one client or consolidated reports across all of them. It supports a full chart of accounts for a complete picture of their finances, and it does proper double-entry bookkeeping for perfect accuracy. It'll even help you generate tax forms like 1099s.
So that's a lot of power, right? From simple invoicing all the way to pro-level accounting. So let's talk about how you can actually get started, because Invoicer is designed to scale with your business. There's a plan for every stage of the journey.
Okay, let's break this down for a second because this is really important. The starter plan is perfect for when you're just getting off the ground. It gives you all the essentials for professional invoicing and quotes. Then, when you're ready to automate things, the professional plan is your next step. That's what adds the powerful bank sync, expense tracking, and those time-saving recurring invoices. Finally, the business plan unlocks the whole shebang, that full accounting suite we just talked about. This is for established businesses or the accounting pros who need the chart of accounts, tax forms, and multi-client management. The best part is, you only pay for what you need when you need it.
So let's just bring it all together. When you look at the whole picture, why should you choose Invoicer? What's the bottom line here?
Well, first, it's a true all-in-one platform. You can stop juggling a bunch of different subscriptions and apps. Everything you need to manage your money is finally actually in one place.
Second, it's genuinely smart. The AI features, like the receipt scanning and the text generation, they're not just gimmicks. They are powerful tools that will save you hours of boring admin work every single week.
And third, it grows right along with you. It doesn't matter if you're sending your very first invoice ever or you're managing a portfolio of a dozen clients. Invoicer has a plan that's going to fit you perfectly.
So I guess the real question is, are you ready to stop being a part-time financial administrator and start being the full-time business owner you set out to be? Are you ready to reclaim all those lost hours and take complete control of your finances?
If the answer is yes, then it's time to get started. Sign up for Invoicer today and see for yourself what it feels like to run your business the smart way.